Hey guys, so today we're going to do something really fun. I'm going to show you how to make a multi-chrome eyeliner. Now, if you didn't see yesterday's video, how to make your own mixing medium, you'll have to go back and watch that first because you'll need your mixing medium to do this. And if you saw yesterday's video, then this may look familiar. And I did label it mixing medium. And this was the mixing medium that I made in yesterday's video. And I'm going to use this violet green pigment from Just Pigments. And this is one of their Chameleon pigments, which chameleon just means color changing or more than one color. So this one has two colors, violet and green, and I'm going to make an eyeliner using my mixing medium. So very, very simple. I transferred this to this container, and we're just going to take an eyeliner, an angled eyeliner brush, and I'm going to take some of my mixing medium and just pour as little as possible into the cap very carefully. And I'm just going to wet my brush. And I'm going to set it down and pour this back in because that's all we needed was just to wet the brush. And now I'm going to dip my brush into my pigment container. And I kind of like mush it up against the inside of the container to kind of like almost grind it into the brush. And then I'm going to put this right along the edge of my lash line. Now I did use this very bold color on my eyes because I wanted to play around with the idea that this was a duochrome or a multi-chrome eyeliner and incorporate both colors. So I'm just picking up a tiny bit more onto my brush, and I'm going to go right on the edge of that lash line. And I'll get closer so you can see in a minute. So the camera isn't picking it up as well as I would like you to be able to see, but yeah, there is a contrasting color there. You can see the violet and the green, especially if I move my head around. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit more and do the other eye. But that's all there is to it. So if you have your mixing medium, like I showed you how to make in yesterday's video, you can take any pigment or eyeshadow, multi-chrome or otherwise, and turn it into a fun eyeliner. And this mixing medium, this batch that I made, will last a week, and then after a week you should throw it out and make a new batch if you want more, because it doesn't have any preservatives in it, but it should stay good for about a week. So this gives a really cool effect. And then what I'm going to do And because I have the purple on my eyes, which by the way is from the Jeffree Star Gothic Beach palette, I use the shade Vixen Vibration. I just put that all over my eyes because I knew I was going to use this multi-chrome eyeliner, so I figured that that would be contrast there. Plus, I'm going to use this Ioni Cosmetics eyeliner in the shade Mars Green. And I'm going to put this on my waterline because even though I can make any eyeliner I want now, I still want to be able to incorporate all my pencil eyeliners that I already own. I mean, I have them, so I want to use them. And I'm going to put this on the waterline. And then to make this even more interesting, what I'm going to do is take this small detail brush and I'm going to wet that with some of the solution very carefully. I didn't spill any, yay. And we're going to go back into the pigment now with this wet brush. And I'm going to pick some of that up and put that along the lower lash line. And this should make for a very interesting effect. So you can do more than just eyeliner. We're more or less using this as an eyeshadow at this point because of this brush. Now you should be able to see the colors better too by me doing this. Oh gosh, that's so pretty. Yeah, you know, this mixing medium is just going to open up a whole new world of possibilities, you guys, of effects and things that you can do with pigments and eyeshadows. Because think about how many eyeshadows you have in your collection that you're not using that you can use a number of different ways by doing stuff like this. The possibilities are just endless. This is going to really unleash all your artistic ability. Okay, so you can probably see the shimmer and colors better than you could on the upper lash line now. Down below here, this really shows the violet and green dual chrome. Okay, so I curled my lashes and I added the mascara, and this is the finished look. So let me look up so you can see the detail. So yeah, there's so many things you can do now. The possibilities are endless. You can make any color or anything from whatever you have for pigments and eyeshadows, and the possibilities are endless. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.